Good afternoon. Out in the workshop today, just finished up another wedding ring holder, brothers and sisters. And it's made out of a black walnut base. Got the black walnut heart floating above the base. The wedding ring sits right here on the post. The post is made out of black walnut. Let's set it down. Okay, let's take a look at this one up close. This is made of the black walnut, like I said, the base. And the wedding ring sits right here on the post. The post is black walnut. The whole piece sits at a little bit of an angle, and so it sits on your dresser or your nightstand at a little bit of an angle. It's got a large heart. It's got the cubic zirconia here in the heart. Gorgeous piece. One of a kind. Okay, we've seen it up close. So now I'm sure you're looking at this on the website, luxuryringhaven.com. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus, and I'll see you on the next wedding ring holder video.